Alright guys, welcome back to Budget Bagger Rebuilds. We're going to do this bike right here. We've been quiet for a while. The winter months slow us down a little bit. We're about to really start cranking some bikes out. We got this bike in 2 days ago from Insurance Auto Auctions. We got another one on the way. It should be here Monday or Tuesday. We'll also be filming that one.
Got another project coming in. This is a secret right now.
Exactly. But
this is a 07 Electra Glide. So it's got the 96-inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. It didn't go down hard. It's light damage all over the bars and stupid stuff like that, just cosmetics. But it damaged pretty much everything on the bike, so we're probably going to have to do a different color and stuff. Let us know what y'all think, what color we should go back with. Put in the comments down there. Yeah, let's go over the bike and show you some of the damages on it, and we'll get it tore down.
We got damage on the bags. Of course, the tour pack's damaged. We're going to pull that off. It's all full of water from sitting out at the auction, as you can see. But overall, it's a pretty good bike. The bike came with a cool air ride kit on it that we didn't know about when we got it. It goes down. It's cool.
It's supposed to go down. There it goes. It's not very fast, is it?
No, not at all. We got damage on the front fairing. Of course, we'll replace the front fender. Put a big wheel on the front, the 21, probably a spoke or alloy. And I guess we're going to start tearing this one down and get it ready for paint. We're up in the air on what color, so please comment below and let us know what color you think this bike should be. We're up for options, so we usually stick with black, but we're going to go and try to change the game up and do a different color scheme on this one. And we'll get it back to Twinkie. He's going to start tearing this bike down for paint and going back together.
Almost everything, as far as like the outside cosmetic stuff, you can take apart with a T4, a Torx T40, a Torx T27, 13 millimeter socket, and a 14 millimeter open wrench. But I'm going to go ahead and get started right now. I think it's still full of water too.
Yeah, she got a lot of water in there sitting at the auction.
God almighty.
Bags come out with just 2 pins, and you pull them right off. They're real simple to pull off.
So everything looks pretty good in the back. That looks like a high dollar setup. I have no idea who makes that, but It's badass. It has it on there. It's like a freebie. Tank's still good, so we can paint it. We'll go ahead and jerk off this front fairing real quick too. These front fairings are just held on with 2 Torx T40s on the side, 3 T27s up here, 2 there, and 2 up underneath here too.
Front fairing should be off any second now. You can see that big dent in the fender right there. We'll buy a new fender for it. Bike's really not damaged that bad. Just basically cosmetic stuff. Like I said, probably one of the easier ones we've done. Just not the prettiest color scheme from the factory, in my opinion.
I hate the paint color.
Yeah, it don't look too
Almost
good.
like
Purplish blue. And there she goes.
Any reason why it's not usable, so I'm sure we can paint that.
Yeah, we'll just fix the scratches in it and paint it. Save that piece.
Other than that, pretty good bike. Ready to start ordering parts and figuring out what we're going to do.
Shouldn't be much to getting it back together after we get the parts ordered, and we'll get everything going on it. We already discussed it. We're gonna go ahead and do the painted to match inner fairing while we get it apart, make it look better, make it look more custom. And anything else you know of?
I think that's it. Get those white walls off of it. Put a new back tire in the back, and that's pretty much it. I'm pretty pumped about it having an air ride though.
Yeah, the air ride is
cool.
definitely cool.
That wasn't a cheap purchase right there.
I'm just glad it all works and everything's functional.
Me too. Me too.
Should be a cool bike. All right, guys, let us know what color you think. We're open for options. We'd like to see some comments on the color you'd like to see, and we're going to go back together with this one pretty quick. Like I said, we got another one on the way. We'll be filming it probably Monday and Tuesday when it comes in off transport. Anything else, Twink?
That's it. Stay tuned. Got
All right,
cool
guys.
stuff coming.
All right, thanks.